I'm Michael Jones, and I am the Director for Workforce Development here at UCSF. I've been here for about 5 years now, and I consider myself extremely fortunate to make significant impacts in the community. When I think about the work that I do, it comes down to two things. How do we ensure that as the second largest employer in the Bay Area, that we are really living true to our commitment to being good neighbors? And the problem that I'm most interested in solving is ensuring that every family in this city and every individual that's willing to work and that wants to work has access to that career opportunity, and that we could close the gap towards getting them out of poverty and helping them to move into higher wage earning opportunities. And when we decided to focus on expanding our pathway work, we looked at the Excel program, which is a flagship program within UCSF for the last decade and a half, and decided what are the things that we could glean from that program to then expand into new pathways. And so in partnering with community partners like YMCA in Bayview and Bay Area Medical Academy, we were able to train individuals who've never been in healthcare before, but also to be able to provide wraparound support. We know that just because you get a certificate and you get a job offer, it doesn't mean you can show up and be excellent the first day of work if you don't have transportation, if you do not have access to childcare or food security. And finally, we focused on radiology. So we've decided to launch our very own training program here at UCSF. We've now selected 18 individuals who will be participating in our very first cohort, who are now moving into a career field that will see them earning north of $100,000 per year within 18 months. We are partnering with the community to rise together and to make significant impacts. I joined UCSF because UCSF is an organization that I had great regard for, and I still do, that we always take on the hard things and we create new ways of thinking, new ways of solutions that end up being a national model. And for me, knowing that we're working on something that is reversing decades, if not centuries, of inequities throughout the process is for me one of the greatest joys ever.